Good morning, children. In the previous class, I have given you some of the commands that how you have to write in the graphics in Small Basic. Yesterday, I have explained you that Small Basic is a high-level language through which we can do the graphics very easily. I hope that you have written the same commands and syntax with example. Today also I am going to explain you some of the commands with the example. You have to write in your copy. So please write it down in your copy. Okay? Okay. Now, next command is for creating fancy text. Now we will write the text in a fancy method. Okay? So the very first command for creating fancy text is draw text method, through which we can give our text very attractive format. We can send us text anywhere on the screen, wherever you want to send your text. You can send it on which row, which column you want it to set it. You can set it. You can do the bold, italic, underline, whatever formats we generally used to do in other packages, in other applications, we have to do through our programming. So, what is the syntax of the draw text method? Graphics window. This is the common word which we have to use in every coding. Graphics window dot draw text. Sorry. X, Y, text. These two are used for the coordinates, okay, for row and column, which will indicate that from which row you have to write and in which column you have to write. And this is the text where you will mention the text. An example from the very beginning. Yesterday I have given you some of the commands. Let's revise here. We have made a complete program over here. Graphics window dot background. It is for the background color yellow. We have given the background color yellow. Graphics window title equal to my first graphic. Title, it will come in the center. Okay. Now graphics window draw text 10,13. That means it is the row and column where it will come. Hello world. It will be printed hello world in the row and column which has been given over there. Okay. Now next command is now I am going to give you the properties. What are the properties? Properties of draw text. First property is font bold. Okay. Now, what is the syntax? Graphics window. Okay. Font. Graphics window. Font bold is equal to true / false. That means you have to take any one that is true or false. Now, example. Graphics window dot font bold is equal to false. Okay. Now graphics window dot draw text 130, hello world. Okay. Now, bold, we all are aware of this. In the bold, if you are giving this command bold, the text will be thicker. Okay, it will be written in the thicker format. This is the bold. Okay, this is the bold. So for giving this bold command, what we have, the syntax, graphics window dot font bold equal to true or false. You have to give only one. If you are giving true, that means it will do the bold. If you are giving false, that means it will not do the bold. It will be in general format. Now in this program I have given false. That means it will not do the bold. It will be in the general format. If I will give here true, then what will happen? It will be, the text will be in the thicker format. Okay, you have to write it in your copy. Now next command is font italic. Now in font italic, what we have to do, just change here italic and rest of the things will be as it is. Now here what will happen, if we can add here one more line, font italic. Okay, graphics window dot, what is the command? Font italic. Right here, font italic equal to true, and after that graphics window dot draw text coordinates 100, 130, hello world. Now italic means that data will be moved in this. Okay, I have given for the bold and italic both. That means it will be bold and the letters will be in the cursive. You will see it will be in this format. Okay, so what is the syntax for that? Graphics window dot font italic equals to true or false. Again here, if you will give true, it will be in the italic format. If you will give false, then it will be in the general format. Now next command is font name. Font name. Now if you want to give the name of the font, there are a number of font name we have already seen in the application. We can write the name of the font here. Okay, font name. So we can write it here. I am adding one more line here. Graphics window dot font name is equal to, you can give any of the name. I am writing here Times New Roman. Okay, Times New Roman. This is the very general format. Okay. Now after that, this was to give the name. Next is to give the size. Same format. This is very easy language. It can very easy for you all. Font size. What you have to do here? Just mention the size in the sentence. Graphics window dot font size, and here you have to give the value. Now I don't have the place, so I'm just writing here graphics example graphics window. It will be at the last. Okay, graphics window dot font size equal to, now you have to give here the value. I am giving here the font size, say 32. Okay, so the font size will be 32. So I hope that these programs are very easy and simple. Commands are altogether similar, only few things are different. So write it in your copy and just try to do it. It will be very easy. Thank you. Have a nice day.